Yo, it's your boy, My Makes Money, back at again with a new video, and I love talking about Axie Infinity because it's literally a video game you can make money from playing. And honestly, I made around like $18 a day when I was playing this, so I do see why other people in different countries want to play this video game, especially the Philippines. So I'm gonna get into that right now, and I just want to talk about this game has massive growth just in the past 3 months alone since they released their new wallet, which got rid of the gas fees when you're playing inside of the game, but transferring currency into the game will take gas fees and transferring it out. So it does have small problems, but honestly, hopefully that can be fixed. And especially when they got listed on KuCoin right over here, that was 2 days ago, and they got on the Binance Smart Chain, and they also got into the Philippines news media. So I really do think that this game is very special, and I just want to talk about this game has so much potential, especially in other countries. Like maybe $18 a day. I'm making $18 a day on the low end, but for different countries, that's a lot, honestly. So it did get listed on the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, and this is just a tweet from a person that plays this video game. Most likely, they probably live off this game, I'm guessing, or they just invested a lot of money. And what happened right now is that Axie Infinity, I think they suspended or they just stopped allowing people to actually take out their SOP. So this is the currency in the video game. So you're not able to like actually make any money. So my money is like on withhold, like a lot of other people, because there has been so much demand on this game. Like the currency will probably just be fluctuating, and I don't think they can control it. But if people want to start living off of this game, I do understand why someone like this will be super mad. Thankfully, I'm not in a situation where I need to survive off of the SOP I'm grinding for. But for other people in different countries, I honestly understand why it could be their food. That sounds like really sad, but it could be true, depending on the situation. But it says, WTF happened to your game? Please give people a clear update about the game, and it's really frustrating and a waste of time and effort. Some people get sick for sleeping to reach their quotes. Fix this immediately. The amount they invest is not a joke. So basically, this person was talking about how you're not able to make any money from playing this game anymore, unless you're probably breeding Axies, but that's way more expensive. But people actually play this game to grind SOP so they can get this virtual currency to actually trade it for Ethereum, and then whatever centralized exchange that they have to get their money. I think that's how they get paid from playing this video game. And if you're not able to make money, so if people want to live off this, they can't, because they're not able to, and the game stopped it from happening. But honestly, other than that, I think this game has so much more potential because it really got popular in the Philippines, and I feel like once it gets more mainstream in different countries, it can be a game changer. So right now, this is like a list of countries that make less than 7,000, or the average income per year on for a person in countries. And I just want to talk about the countries that make less than $7,000 a year. So starting from Thailand, which is number 28, going to all the way down to a country I don't know, making $270 a year, which is honestly insane. If you go to the calculator, the reason why I picked $7,000 a year is because if you do 18 times 365, that's 6,000. And the reason I got 18 is that that's how much money I can make on the bare minimum. There are probably people that make twice as much, easily twice as much, because I'm making around 68 SOP a day. That was when I was playing the video game. But other people are making 150 to 200 if they're really grinding this game and they're trying to live off of it. So like how the person was saying that people are not getting sleep because they're trying to reach their quotas. Maybe they're probably working from a scholarship, which means that they're working under somebody by using their Axies to make money. And that there's another way. There's so many ways to make money Axie Infinity, but I heard that the scholarship program is very demanding, and honestly, you kind of get, let's say you spend 12 hours playing this video game and you grind 200 SOP, the contracts are like the person that grinded SOP can get like 60 to 40%, which is a lot. But if you're not paying anything for the game, I still feel like that's uh very that's around $70. So depending on the country it is, that could be a lot for them. So they could probably take the cut in price. So they're probably getting paid like $30 a day. And if they do get paid $30 a day, that would be 365. Whoa, I did my math wrong. Oh yeah, wait. $30, $10,000 because I was making 18. They're making twice as me. And that's if they're grinding this game every single day, $10,000, that's more than um that's probably like 30 countries at least. I saw another chart where it was like around 40, more than 40 countries are making less than 7,000, and oh, more than 40 countries are making less than 6,000. More than 50 countries are making less than 7,000. That was on a different site because this one only lists 65 different countries when there's over 190 different countries. So it's not the full, not every country is on this list, I can tell. But I do see this game has a lot of potential, especially if it does reaches more countries other than the Philippines. I think it could do so much more because imagine the countries that don't make that much. They would be inspired to play this game and make an entire living just playing a video game, which could further develop cryptocurrency and just have more reach in different countries so more people will use it, which could change the game, honestly, and more people will understand about Bitcoin and all the different types of cryptocurrencies and open source. So much more stuff that I can talk about, but this is really what I wanted to talk about for today. I'm probably gonna make 3 more videos after this, so if you want to watch them, check me out. It's your boy Mike Makes Money. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and peace.